Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make forms using HTML and CSS. First, let's start with the fundamental HTML structure. Every form begins with the form tag, which acts as a container for all your input fields. Inside, you'll use input elements for collecting different types of user data, such as text or numbers. Remember to set the action attribute to define the submission destination and the method attribute, usually get or post, to specify how data is sent. Now, let's dive into the essential input types and their attributes. You'll frequently use types like text for general input, email for email addresses, and password for secure entries. The name attribute is vital. It's how your server identifies each piece of data. For user guidance, the placeholder attribute offers a helpful hint. Additionally, the required attribute ensures that important fields are completed before submission, improving data integrity. Once your HTML form is structured, CSS brings it to life visually. You can target specific elements like input fields, labels, and buttons using CSS selectors. Apply properties such as padding for spacing, margin for external distance, and border radius for rounded corners to enhance aesthetics. Using display, block on labels and inputs help stack them neatly. Don't forget hover and focus states to provide excellent interactive feedback to your users. Finally, let's explore some advanced elements and best practices for robust forms. Incorporate text area for longer text inputs and select for creating drop-down menus. For better organization, use field set to group related controls, with a legend providing a title for the group. Always ensure accessibility by linking label elements to their respective inputs using the for attribute. Remember to validate user input on both the client and server sides for enhanced security and data quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.